My mother moved us 8 times from Southern California, Northern California, all around. It was always gang infested. That was a norm. I experienced a lot of sexual, physical, verbal, emotional abuse. So all in all, I had a rough, if you may say, a rough childhood. My young life spiraled out of control fast. By the age of 15, I committed my life crime, which was a gang-related homicide. From there, from 15, I was arrested and convicted. I was sentenced to 50 years to life in California State Prison. The law started changing for youth offenders. 2023, I received some information from the public defender's office. They wanted to represent me because one of those new laws changed. One of the conversations me, my lawyers, and others from the court was having was they asked me what went wrong. What could have happened to me, or what was going on in my life that led me up to commit such a heinous and brutal crime. And I shared my story. That was something nobody, that was something nobody really has.
Everyone deserves an opportunity to be forgiven. Everyone deserves an opportunity to have a fair chance, again, to live their best life. And so that's why it's so important to, support communities that are trying to make the best of, a bad choice.
I had all this ambition when I got out, but I didn't really have the confidence because I said before I was 15, I left, and now I'm out here, I'm 35 years old as an adult, and I never lived out here as an adult before, ever.
1 out of 5 individuals are impacted by the justice system, be it directly or indirectly. And so the individuals that we serve through the San Diego Workforce Partnership, Workforce Development Services, it's really important to me that they're seen, that they're heard, and that they're valued, and known that they are human beings.
So today I work for a nonprofit organization as a case manager, and now because of San Diego Workforce Partnership, I'm a certified peer support specialist. I help people that are formerly incarcerated reacclimate to society, people just like myself. It's amazing. I look forward to waking up every day.
Coming from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset, removing stigmas and prejudices and biases. They
crushed all these negative connotations about people not wanting to help ex-felons or people that's formerly incarcerated. They showed me a whole lot that there are organizations, nonprofit organizations that actually care and willing to help. And they went above and beyond as far as getting me into training, but they also helped with so much other stuff, giving me exposure to other organizations that may be interested in hiring, and it's all paid for. It was like, that took off a lot of the burden for me. They understood that. It seemed like I didn't really have to elaborate. Yeah, I'm very appreciative and grateful for San Diego Workforce Partnership.